What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Ubante Garage. Today we have a very special person coming through, and you'll see that in a little bit. But first I gotta go throw on my shoes and then we'll head to the garage. I believe he just got here. Damn, where's my beaters at, man? Beaters are missing. Oh, here they are. Do you guys have shoes that you use primarily for working on cars? Well, these are mine. Let's go see if he's here. Nope. Oh! Yo, Ian brought the Type R. Oh, damn, dude, those Mugen tails look insane. Dang. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. You're good. You're good. Yo, Ian's here, and we're gonna go plan everything out and get started. All right, so Ian dropped off the Type R. He just went to eat some breakfast, but here it is. Holy cow. This thing is absolutely insane. I don't think this is OEM either. Wow, that looks amazing. Let me go get you guys some clips real quick of how it currently sits. That is Ian's car, and let's go get to work. We got a long day. Probably gonna take me 12 hours because that's the window I got. I already have a base template from the last Type R I did. This is number 2 for me, and the only issue that's really different is this humongous NVIDIA exhaust. It hangs out lower, and there are fat hangers. Hold on, let me show you. Fat hangers right there that the OEM exhaust does not have, so I need to dodge all that, slightly hang it down and change the design a little bit, but it'll still be dope. And trust me, this one's gonna be insane. I'm gonna go throw you guys on the time lapse and we'll go get started. So far we got the center template mounted, and I had to work out all the bugs on the exhaust mounts. So we just dropped it lower, but they're titanium, so they don't get as hot as the exhaust. I checked it when he got here and I literally touched it, and it just had been off for maybe 4 minutes and it was not hot at all. So I'm not too worried about that. I got the hangers adjusted. I already made the fin design, and now we just need to prep the actual diffuser. It's gonna be insane. Let's go keep pushing forward. This stuff's nasty. Whew, holy cow. All right, guys, so you guys just seen me prepping the center of the full rear diffuser for the CTR right here, and it is coming out so good. We got it mocked up, mounted where it's supposed to go, and it's looking crazy. Holy cow, I got it a little bit angled off the ground towards the back. Now we just got to build the outside section, and then we need to add the fins over here. But yeah, I definitely need to get some food because I'm starving. And so far I've been on this project for 2.5 hours. Doing really good though. So let's keep going. It's a very long project and it is just the beginning, but I'm gonna go eat real quick. Headed to L&L, baby. All right, we back in the garage and we got my food. Oh, it's gone. Guys, so you legitimately watched me do this since the morning till it became dark, which is early, but still. Now we are finally at the end point of the build. Now we finally have it looking exactly how I want it to. This was the last part, and I think I'm going to be going with that. Made the ends go down with the rear diffuser. So it would be kind of cool if it showed the lines, but I have it also going vertical. That's cutting off a little bit too much, so I don't want to do that. But look at that. Boom, then boom. That looks really cool. Super sick. I already got the outsides done. Now all that's left is putting a brace behind those flaps. Got to clean everything, make sure there's no silver anywhere, rivet it all together, and final mount the whole thing. So that's like about another 2 hours. Let's keep going. All right, guys, here we have it. The full rear is, for the most part, all put together, except for the ends. There's just a couple of spots, well, places to mount everything, but I ain't gonna put that on until we mount it to the car. But this is the final design. Look at that. I really like these pieces. Kind of reminds me of like those American muscle cars, but not bothered. And I think it looks crazy. So let's go throw it onto the car. It's really dark out, so camera's probably gonna be kind of fuzzy, but yeah, let's throw it on. All right, guys, this is the last piece of the puzzle. We are installing the left side, and once that's done, the whole thing's mounted to the car, and Ian can leave. It's a good day. All right, that would have been a tire popper. That's it, dude. That looks actually really good. Hell yeah. That was a great idea, actually. Yo. Yep. It is super dark out here, so I can't really show you guys good footage of the turnout. When I go to the Super Street meet, this guy better be there so I can go ahead and get a little cinematic for you guys. Till then, that was it, and we'll hop over to that meet.